What's up, besties? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm Denise and I hope you will consider subscribing and becoming a part of the squad. Anywho, it's getting ready to be that time of the month. Look at my face, 3 dark spots. Come on now. And I've been eating like crazy. I definitely been eating crazy, and that's probably why my skin looks so crazy. Today alone, it wasn't bad food. It's just like, girl, you don't normally eat like that. So I know for a fact that it's because it's getting ready to be that time of the month and I need to put on my seat belt. Then I broke a nail. Like, what is going on? Anywho, I'm on my way to the gym right now. After I leave the gym though, I am going to get crumble cookie, because if I don't get some type of chocolate, I'm gonna lose my mind. I've been snacking all day. I was eating like chips and salsa, cheese, you name it. I've been snacking all day long. So I really want crumble cookie. I don't know what their menu looks like this week, but they always have that chocolate chip cookie, and that's what I want. So I'm gonna do a little something in the gym, and then I'm gonna go ruin it with crumble cookie. So yeah, that's what we have going on here today. Then I think I told you guys I'm leaving for Houston at the end of the month, and some of my outfits came. Everything's too big. So tonight I need to sit down and figure out some different outfits. So I'll probably check in with you guys once I get to Crumble or wherever I end up going to get me some sweets from, because when it's getting ready to be my time of the month, I want sweet and spicy. That's what I want. So I could really go for like some hot wings. Ew! It's a bug in here. See? That's why I can't do. I love summertime. I love when the weather get nice, but you can keep the bug. Wait a minute, honey. I went and got me a Celsius from the gas station. I ain't never had this kind. It's called Fantasy Vibes. Baby, why is it marshmallow and mandarin something? This shit is, I'm tweaking out. Boy, I'm tweaking out. I done made the wrong turn. Yapping my damn mouth. This shit is fire. Mandarin, and it's mandarin marshmallow. They need to keep this one on the roster. This thing good. Can I make a left turn? Cause I done show. Lord help me. Woo! All right, y'all. Seriously, this time I'll see y'all whenever I get back from the gym. She was getting that last week. That shit was bumping. I was tired yesterday. I'm always tired, but I was tired yesterday. Me and my sister worked out, and we don't never really get to do the steps because it's always packed. What the fuck just happened? Y'all, my car. I mean, I guess I did lean over to pick up my phone because I dropped it and I didn't put the damn car in neutral. I didn't even realize. But me and my sister did the steps yesterday, so I'm tired. I was tired when I went home. I took me a shower and I watched Ari and Tucson video of them making like the burgers and fries, and it made me want burger and fries, so that's what I'm eating for dinner tonight. It's 85 degrees today. Like, finally some good weather. I know the temperature is gonna drop again, but I'm gonna appreciate it while it's here. And I want to work out outside today, so I think it's a nature walk kind of close to the gym that we normally go to. So I think just take like a walk outside. It's supposed to storm, but they said that hours ago and it ain't stormed yet. The clouds is gray, but not a drop has fallen out of the sky. So I'm excited for my nature walk. I'm excited for dinner. I'm just excited. Y'all, I have been seeing angel numbers all day long. 333, I done seen that at least 4 times. 555, and I just seen 777. I don't know what God or the universe is trying to tell me, but my ears is open and I'm listening.
People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast.
Look at my boo out here getting the grill ready for me to cook some dinner. Stop! Y'all, the nature walk was lit. Y'all look lopsided. What the heck is going on here? Hold on.
The grill is on.
Okay, I still gotta mix the meat together.
So you want me to turn it off?
No, I'm about to mix it together real quick. Ground turkey or nothing at all. I like to put this in here. Ooh. Y'all know I hate touching raw meat. Hate. I'm about to stir this up with a spoon. And I only use one pack.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away from these feels and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it your way. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
What's up, besties? I am getting ready to go and get these nails did. They look horrific and they're super duper long. I want to cut them down. I got this super cute nail idea in mind. Hopefully she's able to do it. If she's not, I'm gonna be like disappointed. Let me see. I think these are super duper cute. I don't know if y'all can even see these. I think these are super duper cute for spring. So I want to get these, but I kind of want brighter colors, like how these ones is bright, and but I felt like that was too much. But I like the colors on there, so I don't know, we'll see. I think these are super duper cute. Hopefully she can zoom them. I'm gonna get my nails done, and then my kids have a birthday party to go to later on. So it's kind of going to be a busy day. Then tomorrow is Easter. Easter coming up. Tomorrow is Easter. So they have a Easter egg hunt to go to tomorrow. So I got to get my nails done. Go and get my baby something to wear to the party tonight or today and tomorrow. So I will see you guys when we get to the mall. I probably need to go get a new storage card.
Touch me with a look when you pass me. Know the same look when we get nasty. Don't think you wanna put nothing past me. Miss you since you came over last week. You fucking with my mental lastly. You immature, don't you ain't know that I was pulling up. It's cause you get around them niggas and act like you want.
What's up, y'all? Clearly it's some time later. I got my nails done, y'all. She fucking ate, okay? Can y'all see these? She did such a good job. They are super long. I typically don't really get my nails this long anymore, so next time I'm probably gonna get a cut down. But baby, she ate. Like, I think they look better than the pictures. Can y'all see these? Let me move my face. She did such a good job. But then after we was done with our nails, we went to this Mexican restaurant. It's in Robinson. It's called Plaza Azteca or something like that. Baby, that shrimp ceviche, it reminds me of tuna tartare. That was my first time having it. I had like store-bought ones from like Sam's Club and stuff like that, but y'all seen he actually made it fresh right in front of me. Oh my god, it was so bomb, so flavorful. The margarita hit. It was just a regular like Patron margarita. I don't know, it hits, okay. And what is this? Then what else? The service was good. Everybody was super nice in there. I definitely recommend 10 out of 10. And my sister's food was good. She had like a chicken fajita sizzler plate or something like that. Fire, okay? So after we finished eating, I did go ahead and get everything that I needed to get. Excuse me. And now we're getting ready. I gotta go home and get the kids ready for the birthday party. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys whenever we get to the party. And then after the party, I don't really have too much planned. I really wanted to go like be home and start getting that back room together, but it's literally so many pieces to that vanity. I probably will never order something like that again without paying for it to be assembled once it's arrived, because I just no, it's just way too many pieces. Like, but anywho, I'll try to get that done at some point. I just have to have the motivation to do it. Like, I don't mind putting stuff together myself. I've done it plenty of times before, but I just don't be feeling like dealing with stuff like that. I haven't been feeling like dealing with stuff like that, so that'll probably be on my agenda at some point next week. But I absolutely love my nails. She snapped and she's quick too. Like, literally did this in an hour. I love getting my nails done and I'm in and out. Like, and it doesn't look like a rush job. But we about to go and get ready for this party. You look so pretty. You here? You like your bows? I can't roll the window down. It's cold outside. Oh, they about to crash. What y'all playing? Hide and seek? Where you playing? DJ.
You gotta make one or you.
I'm trying to get the one.
I don't know. Is that one over there? Look at that blue one. Let's mommy see. Oh my gosh. Hey guys. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys all day. Well, I haven't talked to y'all all day. But it's Easter. The kids had a super busy day. Not super busy, but they went to like an Easter egg hunt and the vibes was all there. They enjoyed themselves. I enjoyed myself as well. So now everyone is bathed and in bed. And I'm back to looking like Marge. And yeah. It was a good time. I had a good time today. And the kids had a good time. And as long as they had a good time, why do I look so white? Something must be wrong with like my settings. It has to be, and I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I'm in the bed. I don't know why I'm in bed with earrings on. Ooh, where did that back go? But y'all, I'm tired, exhausted even. I'm about to put on me a shoulder watch, and then, oh, now that it wants to be warm. Don't. I like it warm. I don't like when I look all white. Today was a good day. I'm tired. Your girl is getting ready to catch up on some vlogs, and the vlogs is probably gonna be watching me because I'm tired. My babies had a good day today, and as long as they had a good day, that's all that matters. These nails, she really fucking ate, okay? This might be my favorite set so far. It's the parade inside my city. Yeah. My stomach ate. Every time I eat macaroni and cheese, my stomach hurts so bad, and I be so gassy. And I feel like now would be a great time for me to take one of those Go DD bloats. I've seen those. Y'all have seen me drink those before in my videos. But every time I go to the store, they don't never have them in stock. So I'm probably going to have to order them offline. But yeah, today was a vibe. I had fun spending time with family and friends. And the kids had a good time. So tomorrow I'll probably be cleaning my house because it's a mess. The kids' Easter baskets and all types of everything is all downstairs in the living room. I walked right past that shit and came upstairs because not tonight, honey. Can't do it. I cannot do it. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed your Easter, and I'm sending love from my family to yours, and I'll see you in my next video.